The joy of winning a brand new mobile phone in a lucky draw after purchasing a new SIM card quickly turned into a nightmare for a software engineer who ended up losing a total of 2.8 crore. The victim, employed at a tech company in Whitefield, purchased a new SIM card and later received a parcel containing a new mobile phone. He was informed that he was among the lucky winners who had won a prize for purchasing the SIM card from the company. Excited by the unexpected gift, the victim inserted the SIM into the new phone, unaware that the device already had a pre installed application. The scammers used this app to access his personal information and withdraw the entire amount from his bank account through online transactions. A police officer stated that the fraudulent transactions were carried out via multiple gateways outside the country and efforts are underway to trace the culprits.